So today we're in Bartow, Florida. We're going to take a look at Meritage Homes. They're a new player here in the Lakeland, Bartow, Winter Haven area. They're a nationwide builder, and I'm going to walk you through 3 homes today, a 2-story and a couple of the single stories, to give you an idea as far as layouts, some of the upgrades they put in them, some of the standard features, and just to kind of give you an idea of the layout of this community. I hope you enjoy this tour. So the first home we're going to tour today is the Yellowstone. This is a 2-story, and this is on the left of their 3 model homes that they have on site. And let me just kind of show you straight across here. They've already got homes built up over across the way. They got some nice PVC fencing. There's going to be a clubhouse far off in the distance here, and a really nice exterior to this one. The Yellowstone is 2,168 square feet. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. Let's go take a look at the inside of this floor plan. You can see when you first walk in, you've got nice high ceilings. That is up to the loft area and upstairs. Let's just kind of take a little walk around. Powder bath on the left. This is your guest bath. And then straight through here is your nice open kitchen. And here they've got the granite countertops, the stainless steel appliances. This is ceramic tile flooring. Now straight on back, this one's got a really nice water view. They've got all kind of different lots, many different floor plans and options that the salesperson on site has told me about, but it's a nice open design. So the master suite is in the very back. Leading right into the master bathroom. You can see it's got the double sinks. This has got just the shower only. Some of the other bathrooms have tubs and showers. Now, a couple things on this particular line. The linen closet area is wide open, as is the master closet. One way you could look at it is, why do you need a door? It's just going to be usually the couples that are going in here. This is their suite. No door to open and close. You just walk right in there. Some of you may think, well, my master closet, I don't want anybody to see it ever. And there's another prerogative. I don't know, but what's your taste? Probably don't have a lot of people over to your house walking in your master bedroom closet. If so, maybe another conversation. Anyways, ceramic tile flooring. And then the laundry area is right here. See, this is a pantry, kitchen pantry with the wire shelving. So bedroom, full bath down here, along with your powder bath. Let's take a look upstairs. Do you like 2 stories? Do you not like 2 stories? Send me a comment in the chat below. Let me know if you're a fan of them, if you're not. Now, this is a nice open space, so extra sitting area. Love they do this in the other homes here, that the spray foam. And they're telling you right here, there's spray foam up there, and the attic temperature is a whopping only 81 degrees, which is hot, but for an attic in Florida, that's pretty good. Okay, catch my breath. I just saw one of the other homes, it was 77 degrees. Now, that was a single story, so pretty cool thing like that. So this is a ideal area for kids, for young families. Now, let me note this, great little built-in desk. This is not built-in, by the way, but an area to put a desk or do a built-in desk. Now, these rooms are nice size. I don't know if you can tell or not, but generous size room, because it's got a decent amount of furniture in it. Closet, and then this is overlooking the roof line, dimensional shingles, 30-year architectural shingles. Again, just to show you, they're building a really nice clubhouse over here. Should be completed in the fall of 2025, depending on when you're watching this video. There is a CDD in this neighborhood. which once you get a hold of me and I'll tell you more about that, they roll that on your property taxes. It basically covers some of the amenities they're going to have in this community, like the clubhouse, walking trails, some of those items. So that'll build, depending on where you buy, a couple $1,000s on average into your taxes. But again, let's talk more specifics so I can give you more ideas about that. So this one has got the granite tops, tub shower combination, nice sized bathroom. All these bedrooms are generous size. Same thing here, got linen closet. Again, this bedroom is really big. And this one is going over this way. It's overlooking the water, so we're in the back of the house. So if you're taking notes, you've got up here 3 bedrooms in the full bath, double sinks so kids have room to brush your teeth, and a bonus room. Okay, so let's make our way downstairs. I'll give you one more little snapshot of the downstairs so you can see that. Somebody walked in right when I was going to show you the downstairs again, so I wanted to respect their time looking in the house, so I'm not going to take you through downstairs again. Rewind the video and then you can see that. Let's move on to the next home. Okay, that was kind of awkward. All right, so we're going to move on to the Foxglove. Now, preferring single stories myself, really like these 2 floor plans. Really, really nice. Let's take a look at this one. 1,840 square feet, 4 bedroom, 2 bath, 2 car garage. Good. This is going to be a very common, probably a hot seller, because it offers a good amount of square footage for not a big price, and is very practical. It's not too much house, it's not too little house. So it's going to be one that I think you're going to find very well laid out and very pleasant. So they can see they've got little upgrades on the outside here. Okay, so when you first walk in, you've got 2 bedrooms and a bath. Let me just show you that really quick. Again, good sized bedrooms, closets around to the right. Very nice color schemes. Now this flooring is ceramic tile flooring. It's very neutral and it's great for wear and tear, you know, kids, pets, what have you. This is the bedroom in the front of the house. Now I do want to note something, because the third house is going to be different, but on their windowsills, this is just going to be drywall, okay? You're going to see on their other upgrade line, they're going to have more of a wood trim here, okay? But this is just strictly drywall, and that was on the first home too, on the 2-story. So let's head back this way. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you straight back, then I'm going to end up back the other way. But look at this open, really nice open kitchen to living room and dining. This is kind of where you hang out. Very nice counter space, cabinet space. They've got the really tall cabinets with the long handles, very modern pull. Dishwasher, all stainless steel. That's a great sink. I like the farm sink there with the little sprayer there. Side note, did you ever watch the video where somebody actually would put a rubber band around this thing and would face it up? Have you ever seen that before? They do one of these. I'm not suggesting this at home, by the way. And then they turn this on and it literally sprays right in their face. If not, I'm sure it's on YouTube. I shouldn't say it's funny, but it is every time. All right, so nice sized closet pantry. Let me just show you this because I thought it was pretty impressive, really. It's hard to tell through video, but lots of wire shelving and deep. Got some depth to it too. This is perfect for you can see this is a rectangle table for dining, or put a nice sized round table. They got a little patio out here overlooking the back area. Very well decorated, nice canned lighting throughout. Now this is the master bedroom, but we're going to go back through and show you one other part of the home. Little area here, entranceway. This is in the back left of the home. Got that view. Same flooring here throughout, and then you've got the double sinks with the cabinets. Again, linen area, put your linens. Shower with doors, toilet room area, pretty self-explanatory. And then again, a walk-in closet, really nice size. No door, but again, you just walk right in there, get your clothes, and get your day started. So let's go back to the middle of the house. So it's really nice. It's a triple bedroom split plan. What does that mean? That means here, you've got 2 bedroom, 1 bath. Here, you're gonna see, you've got this is the washer dryer. You have another bedroom here in the middle. Great office, study, den, what have you. So separate. The garage is this way. And then the rest of the home is this way. So it's really nice and divided up. Space here, space to the right, coming back, master bedroom to the left, and then this is all open. So a really well laid out floor plan. Let's go on to the next. Now we're gonna make our way to another single story, and this is the third one of 3. This is the Jasmine. Take a look at this one. This is 4 bedroom, 3 bath, 3 car garage, 2,487 square feet. Okay, let me give you an idea of the elevation. Now on the outside, you're gonna see it's a 2-car, but then they got the construction office there to the right. So, which would represent a single car garage. Everybody needs garage space for storage, for vehicles. Comment below, do you use your garage to put your car, like myself, or do you just say, I'll park it out in the driveway, I need it for storage? Tell me if you're a garage person to park your car, or if you just got so much stuff you gotta put in your garage. Neither answer is wrong, it's just good to hear. So this is a really cool, I'm gonna walk you straight back here. This was very impressive. Really like the feel of this one. Take a look at this, isn't this beautiful? Gorgeous views. Love the finishes they put in this one. Now this is, instead of granite, this is quartz. Pretty quartz. They've got some higher end finishes with the doors, with the handles. The tile backsplash is really beautiful. Smooth top. Huge nook area. Love this round table. Ladies, I don't know. Man, we need to find out where you get that. That is a nice round table. Man. I say ladies because they're the ones that are picking up the furniture. The guys just go, sounds good, dear. Now, you can see this is the wood windowsills I was talking about versus just drywall. Modern fixtures, great open design. You got the smooth top. So let's go over here. Nice sliding glass doors and of course that beautiful water view. Huge master bedroom, really nice size. Look at this. With area for the dresser, chair in there, so really plenty of room. Let's try not to get in the video here, but it's okay. Huge toilet room area, and then this is a big closet area with a closet door, double sinks, a beautiful shower. You can see the upgrades. This one's a little bit more upgraded. And then we're gonna walk you back into this part. So I really like the layout of this because you've got, it's very, in the wider hallways, take a look at these wide hallways too. This is great. So passing each other in the hallway, you're not gonna run into somebody. You can, if you're bringing stuff inside the house, this is a great sitting area. Going down the middle here, look at this, open desks. You can put a pair of desks in here. Laundry. Oh, hey guys, sorry. I'm in a video here. So this is nice size garage. This is where they're doing a lot of their project managing. And there's extra space right here, which is great. Heading back this way, you've got a closet, full bathroom, tub shower combination. I love it when construction guys get in my video. And then a big bedroom here, closet to the right. Now this is where I mentioned earlier the spray foam for the attic access. All right, then we're going to head to the front of the home to see the rest of this nice layout. So here we've got nice sized bedroom. This is in the front, as you can see, because there's good sized beds. And this is the full bath with the quartz countertop. I hope you've enjoyed this tour. If you'd like to take a look at these homes, I'd like to coordinate this with one of my favorite salesperson people, Nikki, out here. She does a great job, and we can give you some more information, what is under construction, what is available, or if you'd like to build one. Hey, thanks for joining along today on this walkthrough tour. I hope you've enjoyed it. Do me a favor, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and that way we can connect on more walkthrough videos or other valuable real estate content of anything you want to know here in Central Florida.